For my cakes, I usually bake just an extra 8-inch cake when I'm making this recipe, and then I keep it in the freezer until I need to use it. This is my carrot cake, and I just cut it in layers 1-inch thickness as I do for all my cakes. And to cut little squares for my samples, I use the square cutters, and I need two different sizes for the bottom layer and for the top layer. So I'm making 2 samples at a time. To assemble my tasting samples, I use the square jars, and you can see I use 2 different sizes for my cake. I have an orange marmalade for this sample that goes with my carrot cake, and I have the passion fruit, Swiss miry, and buttercream that I layer in these plastic dessert cups. So this is my second layer, same orange jam and same passion fruit, Swiss miry, and buttercream. And I fill it to the top with the Swiss miry and buttercream and making sure it looks nice and smooth. I seal my containers with plastic lids and I add my labels. I print these labels at home on a clear label paper. To present my samples, I like using these tall cupcake boxes. They fit these plastic dessert cups very nicely and give me enough space to put napkins or any utensils I wanted to add. I like placing a piece of white tissue paper inside the box before I put the insert to make it look a little bit more expensive. Every box gets 6 different flavors, depends on what clients choose. And I just place them in these cupcake boxes all together in a specific order from the lightest flavors to the boldest flavors. And I like to add simple utensils like plastic spoons or forks and a few napkins for my clients to enjoy this tasting box. I use the same clear sticker to seal my box, and I add a few business cards with my name and my information, and that's how it looks. If I'm working with an event planner or on a high-end wedding cake, I prefer to include a box with my wafer paper flowers. You can see just a few simple flowers. And every client gets a booklet with my information, how to order a cake, my process, menu, pricing, all of that. And this template is available on my website if you wanted to design your own booklet to give with your tastings.